Experience the laid-back luxury of the Aqua Mekong as you begin one of life's most memorable and photogenic adventures. The Aqua Mekong sails between Vietnam and Cambodia on one of the world's greatest rivers, bringing you in the utmost comforts to remote, natural, and cultural destinations visited only by a very few. We invite you to make yourself at home aboard the Mekong's first 5-star floating hotel. Among our 20 designed suites, yours features a private deck or indoor daybed. All face the mighty Mekong River through floor-to-ceiling windows. At your leisure, explore the Aqua Mekong. Depending on the season, your cruise may begin on the Tonle Sap, the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. Board Aqua Expedition's customized excursion skiffs for your first of many adventures. Our Aqua Mekong guides will introduce you to remote communities along the Tonle Sap River, including Prek Tual, an extremely delicate ecosystem designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Mekong River life happens as much on the water as along its gently meandering riverbanks. Bicycle with our guides through verdant rice fields. Past shimmering Buddhist temples. To the charming stilted houses of remote Cambodian villages seemingly untouched by time. Or join the adventure by motorized tuk-tuk, this region's most popular mode of transport. Our last day on board, we sail into the Cambodian capital of Phnom Penh, concluding the Aqua Mekong's transporting journey from the ancient stone temples of Angkorian kings across a captivating landscape, all but inaccessible to luxury travelers until today.